Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's dessert is what we at home call the Chocolatey Chocolate Cake. Chocolatey. As usual, the detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and in the description box. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, start by dumping in the store-bought Betty Crocker's chocolate cake mix. Add in a cup of laban, also known as buttermilk, and a half cup of vegetable oil and 4 eggs. Work out those arms and mix well. Add in a packet of instant chocolate pudding powder. We're using Dr. Oetker's Creme packet, and mix. Before you pour the batter into the pan, make sure to spray with baking spray so the cake won't stick to the pan and can come out easily when it's done. Pop the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes, or just until the cake looks done, and if you poke the cake with a bamboo skewer stick, it comes out clear and not liquidy. Work on the chocolate sauce by chopping up a whole bar of chocolate into small pieces to melt quicker. In a small pot, add a cup and a third of a cup of heavy cream and leave it to heat up and reach a simmer. Add in a cup of the dark chocolate that we have chopped up into a bowl, and then add half a cup of milk chocolate chips to it and set it aside. Once the cream has heated up, we will add it to the bowl of chocolate and mix until all the chocolate has melted. And there we have our chocolate sauce for our chocolate cake. Drizzle all the sauce over the cake and in the center. We recommend that you present the cake in a deep plate so that the sauce won't spill over and outside the plate and go all over your counters as you cut the slices. We hope that you'll give this recipe a try. If you liked this video, give us a like, and if you want, you could subscribe. We'd really like that. And as usual, thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen and have a great day. Bye!